to receive this prestigious award from NDTV.
Ladies and gentlemen, business leader for outstanding industry contribution.
Harryware presents NDTV Property Awards. Coming soon on NDTV Prime.
Presented by Special Memories, Leave a Special Place, Barryware. Powered by Pune Municipal Corporation and Credai, Pune Metro. Platinum sponsors, Lunkad Realty, Panchil Realty. Gold sponsors, Ranchpe Schemes, Goyal Ganga Group, Gera Developments. Silver sponsor, Kumar Properties, Vilas Javrikar Developers. In association with Orient Electric, switch to smart. 99acres.com, India's #1 property portal. LIC Housing Finance, building homes, nurturing relationships. Outdoor partner, Lakshya, India's largest out-of-home media conglomerate. Knowledge partner, Prop Equity.
रेडियो में 98.3 FM सुन रहे हैं आप।
रौनक के साथ अगर इस वक्त मॉर्निंग नंबर 1 सुन रहे हैं तो मैं बउआ हूँ। शराब टीवी पे कैसे बंद करो? मैं हूँ खुर्रा।
My name is Jessie.
कड़क लौंडे किसना और आशीष।
These faceless pranksters have made you laugh in your homes,
आरजे बनना तो बाएं हाथ का खेल है. That's not the case.
giggle in your cars.
चलता फिरता बंदा लगे कपड़ों का पैकेट।
Now get to know the person behind the voice.
हमने गुड़गांव में एक छोटी सी स्टॉल लगाकर समोसे बनाकर बेचने शुरू करे. कम वक्त वो भी नहीं चली.
The stories,
प्रे करते थे कि बारिश हो जाए, क्योंकि बारिश होती थी तो छटनी थी, छुट्टी होती थी।
the jokes,
रात को भगवान जी सपने में आए, मैंने बोला मेरी शराब छुड़ा दोगे?
For the first time ever, all your favorite artists on a television set near you.
Jock the Talk, Thursday at 10 p.m. on NDTV Prime.
We believe one mobile first is really going to drive video consumption. We believe original content and distinct content is really going to sort of be the second driver of consumption. And 3, really a mix of long form and short form content. Those are the 3 key parameters that is actually going to drive success or failure for video players in the coming couple of years.
Social media channels have done a fantastic job of driving engagement as well. So they've really added video to a platform that people were already spending time on, and that's really interesting. However, we do truly believe that there is a place as well for premium video in people's lives. There is a time deficit these days. People can only spend so much time on each piece of content. And so what we see is a continual growth in tentpole events. So big movies, big sporting events, big TV shows will always pull people back to premium video. And that's where our focus is going to be.
One thing we know for a fact is that lots of people are watching digital video. It's growing month on month. What we do not know is how the players in the business are going to make money. Kind of sponsors and delegates that have come are from actually across. They are not just, some of them are from media companies, many of them are from technology companies. There's a whole bunch of online content creators who have also come here. So we are, I think, the first event where we are getting all these people in one room, in one hall together. India and China are but 2 of the biggest markets for digital video, and if they are not, they will soon be. And it seemed to us that why should we do a event only around India? Why not try to create an international event right here? And we've got several speakers have come from abroad this time, and some delegates as well. And I think the next event, the event next year, will be not only far larger, but we'll also have far more international delegates. It's not just technology people talking to technology people or media people talking to media people. We've got all of them. We've got more than 50 or 55 speakers over 20 sessions, and they're all in one hall and listening to each other perhaps for the first time.
It's time for the awards. We'll begin with our first category of awards, that is brand videos. Well, under this category, we are awarding the digital videos which have been creatively used as a part of the brand campaign. This category is exclusively for the digital first videos and not the mere reruns of TV ad campaigns. And to give away the awards, may I please request Mr. Vijay Anand, Commercial Director, ASEAN and India, to please join me on stage.
The winner of Bronze Award is The Journey.
Let's give it up for Boring Brands for The Journey. Mr. Anand, could you please tell us the winner for silver?
The silver goes to Amitabh Bachchan, Unblushed.
The gold goes to
Brook Bond Red Label, 6-pack band.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our next set of awards, Brand Integration, Web Series. And in this category, we have tried to recognize the integration of brands in relatively a new format of digital videos, the Web Series. The award-winning series will be the one in which a brand has been woven seamlessly yet memorably into a multi-part video story. Now to present these awards, I'd like to call upon Mr. Vishal Kumar Maheshwari, Country Manager, View, India. Now may I please request Mr. Maheshwari to please announce the winners.
So the bronze category goes to Girl in the City.
Girl in the City, congratulations for Mindshare India. Let's see who gets the silver.
The silver goes to Signature Startup Masterclass.
Congratulations, Signature Startup Masterclass for United Spirit. And now time for the gold.
So Lakme presents Bang Baja Barat.
Congratulations, Bang Baja Barat for Mindshare. We now move on to our final category, Person of the Year. Well, the digital video ecosystem needs advocates who will help it grow, and we are trying to identify them. Hence, the Person of the Year Awards. And VideoNext seeks to celebrate outstanding attempts by individuals to further the cause of the medium through dramatic and creative effort. In order to find out the gems of the industry who deserve to be celebrated, we carried out open nominations, and now it's the time to recognize and award them. To present these awards, may I please request Mr. Alex Hayward, Senior Business Development Manager, Adobe Primetime Video Solutions, to please join me here on stage. Without further ado, we move on to our first subcategory. Of course, Person of the Year, New Media, and let's see who the winner is.
And the winner is Arunabha Kumar.
Put your hands together for Arunabha Kumar. The last set of award for the evening, which is Person of the Year, Content Creator. Well, we seek to recognize the content creator, group or individual who came up with the interesting digital videos and the original work that not only stood out but encouraged people to spend more time online, as well resulted in substantial fan following. Who gets this one?
And the winner is, for Person of the Year Content Creator, is AIB.
Put your hands together for AIB, Person of the Year Content Creator. So this brings us to the end of the award ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all had a great time. Before we wrap up, can I request all the winners to please step here on stage? Let's have a group photograph.